The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Up to 3 battalion tactical groups made unsuccessful attempt to resume their offensive towards Першотравневая, Kislovka and Berestovoye at Kupiansk direction. Decisive action of Russian forces has resulted in repelling all the attacks. Up to 120 servicemen of the armed forces of Ukraine, 5 tanks, 12 armored combat vehicles and 14 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Kiev regime's military units have conducted no active operations at Krasny Liman direction. 2 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been eliminated by Russian artillery fire near Petrovskaya, Kharkov region. The attack has resulted in the elimination of 25 militants and 2 pickups with large-caliber machine guns mounted. Offensive of the light forces has resulted in the liberation of Zaytsevo, Donetsk People's Republic, at Artyomovsk direction. The offensive has resulted in the elimination of over 120 personnel from the 58th Mechanized Infantry and 128th Mountain Assault Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, as well as 3 infantry combat vehicles. Attacks launched by Army Aviation of Russian Aerospace Forces near Novy Kamar, Donetsk People's Republic, have resulted in the elimination of up to 60 servicemen from the 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, 2 tanks and 5 motor vehicles. 4 enemy battalion tactical groups made numerous attempts to break through the defense of Russian forces towards Duchany, Sukhanova, Sadok, Ruskinskaya and Andreevka-Kryvyi Rog direction. The enemy has been driven from the defense line of Russian forces. Over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 6 tanks, 8 armored combat vehicles and 9 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Missile and air defense attacks launched by Russian Aerospace Forces as the provisional basis of the 35th Marine Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Davidov Brod, Kherson region, the 46th Air Mobile Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Murachovka, Nikolaev region, 60th Infantry Brigade near Trifonovka and Novaya Kamenka, Kherson region, have resulted in the elimination of over 280 Ukrainian personnel and 9 units of military equipment. High-precision missile attacks of Russian Aerospace Forces near Velika Artakovo, Nikolaev region, Novogrigorovka and Belaya Krynica, Kherson region, have resulted in the destruction of 3 pontoon crossings of the Armed Forces of Ukraine over Ingulets River. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 9 Armed Forces of Ukraine command posts, 63 artillery units at their firing positions, 173 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 4 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Seversk and Vodyane, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as near Zaporozhye. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Ukrainian Grad multiple launch rocket system batteries have been neutralized by missile attacks near Dvorechne, Kharkov region and Karpovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aviation of Russian Aerospace Forces have shot down 2 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force, 1 MiG-29 near Novogrodovka and 1 Su-24 near Sviridinovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Chervonoarmeyskaya, Dmitriyenka, Cherivnoye, Kherson region, Pokrovskaya, Poltava, Troitskaya, Lugansk People's Republic, Orlinskaya and Mospino, Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 3 projectiles launched by Alha multiple launch rocket system have been shot down in air near Velika Novoselka, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 315 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,160 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,412 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 862 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket system, 3,452 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,316 units of special military vehicles can be destroyed during the special military operation.